Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on inverse functions. Before you watch this video, make sure to go and check out my video on functions, which will be linked up here by an iCard, as this will help you out in this video. So here we're told that fx is equal to 3x add 2, and it wants us to find the inverse of fx. So fx equals 3x add 2 is basically saying y is equal to 3x add 2. In the inverse function, we want to get this equation equal to x, not equal to y. So for that, we're going to rearrange the formula. So the first thing we're going to do is take away 2 from both sides. So if we take away 2, we're going to get y minus 2 is equal to 3x. Now to get x on its own, we need to divide by 3. So if we divide that by 3, we're going to get y minus 2 over 3 is equal to x. But in this, we still want to have something to substitute in our x. So all we're going to do is switch around our y and our x. So we're going to end up with x minus 2, because we've flipped the x and the y, over 3 is equal to y, because we've flipped the x and the y. And that is your inverse function of fx add 3. Fx is equal to 3x add 2. So f minus 1 x is equal to x over 2 minus 2 over 3. So here we have our next problem, and it says fx is equal to 5x minus 3, and it wants us to find the inverse of 3. So we're going to start out by doing exactly the same. We need to find the inverse of fx. So fx is saying y is equal to 5x minus 3. And we want to get that equal to our x. So we're going to add 3. So we're going to get y add 3 is equal to 5x. Then to get x on its own, we want to divide by 5. So we're going to get y add 3 over 5 is equal to x. Now just like before, we need to switch around our x and our y to get x in our equation again, because it is a function of x. So if we switch our x with our y, we're going to get x plus 3 over 5 is equal to y. So f minus 1 of x is equal to x add 3 over 5. Now, if we've got our inverse function of x, which is this equation here, and it wants us to find the inverse function of 3, just like in the last video where we had f of a number and substituted that number into x, we're going to do exactly the same here, because we've already got rid of the inverse bit by finding the inverse function of it. So if we substitute our 3 into our x, we're going to get 3 add 3 over 5, which if we simplify that, that's going to give us 6 over 5. Now if we keep it as a fraction because it's just easier, that says f to the minus 1 of 3 for this equation is equal to 6 over 5. Thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below any future video ideas. Also, my social medias are in the description box below, and be sure to check them out.